like that, because you know how we do. We got a couple things to do with tomatoes, so that should be fun. Look at them strawberries. Yeah, the strawberries is over here strawberrying it up. They was mad at me because that 3 day weekend I actually wasn't in here because I was doing pre-records. So hell, they was mad at your boy. The dragon fruits is definitely dragon fruiting it up though. They like shit. I might have to move them around, so therefore they get their appropriate hangage because they like to just hang like old woman's titties, chilling on the block. We got some more dead leaves on this, so that means it's time to check its water. Cause these weren't dead like last week, but like I said, I ain't really been too pressed about the green room. Besides making sure the things that are in soil get watered, cause you know how the rest of this shit go. If it don't make it, I'm not mad at you, cause you know how I am. I keep a harvest when I need one. Other than that, it's open season. Open season. Yeah, see, look, they just come right off. You ain't even gotta do shit. They just falling. Hell, knock shit over unless you're gonna knock it over. Be all the way active. But let's see, like I said, there's my peroxide. Because I told you, we using that peroxide in the pots. They usually help me keep from having problems. So, like right now, it's nothing wrong with the root zone, hopefully. In most of these, it'll just be the fact that they pH done swung up high. It's over 6.4. That's why they look like they got an attitude. Some of the plants still doing good because, that's how it goes in flower. The leaves will take all the damage. It'll still be moving water and it'll still grow the fucking flower. But hell, y'all know how these plants be. Get you a consultation and I'll put you some in your house. In your house. And then you can figure out how to keep the shit right all the damn time without me. In the meantime, you'll be like, man, that nigga really did bring the plants in the buckets and shit. So I really had to fucking learn how to grow. Because, fucking with popcorn, he'll let EXP. Oh, shit, they trying to say live for a second. Now they trying to hate like I done stole somebody's content. Hell, but we in the green room. I ain't stole nothing. Y'all know we got this, what is this? Some begonia that mom had got. Wing begonia. We gonna have to get that up out of here. I ain't keeping too many things in soil inside. Hell, like I said, we gonna figure out what to do with these tomatoes. That way they get handled, right? Hell, because she'll be like, Nikki, you did what? Yes, sir. We did something with some tomatoes this year. Hell, she'll be surprised. Like, that's actually dope. Because you know how I am. I do dope. That one short video. Which one? I don't remember. Go watch them all, right? Like my flowers are back green back over there. But y'all remember those are the ones that shoot up the purple ones like the plant outside. We cloned them one day, so my green room, you dig? I'm not talking about that sitting on the table. I'm talking about the one in the corner on the floor, because that's actually some flowers. And shout out to the money tree and the snake plants. It's about coming up on time to clone that snake plant. Because you know how we do. We going to keep it P out here. We ain't just buy it for no reason. We going to have to clone him up, right? Right. It look good, but hell, it's getting taller in here. It's going to be better when it's like one, two, three, four, five, six new plants, though, right? Yeah, six of them, new booties. We gonna get them doing good and have them chopped up by the end of the year too. Like I said, I might be locked out of the cultivation channel, but hell, we still got other channels that we had access to that we had been started anyways. So you know how we are. We ain't gonna sit here and cry about it. We just gonna keep pushing and putting in the work. We'll get that content somewhere on these YouTube streets for you. But hell, other than that, y'all already know. I gotta roll me another blunt because that dab was a little bit good, but hell, it didn't all the way hit the spot. So therefore, I'm gonna hit another dab and then roll me a blunt because y'all know I prefer flower, team flower out here in these streets. But hell, if you ain't smoking good, holler at your boy. We'll get you something figured out because it don't take much to get what you want, right? Yeah, you put it in the work, so hell, we'll make a content too. So get you a consultation or whatever you're gonna do.